After a record number of fatalities in 2018, the Midwest Aftermarket Olympics are back. We invited the world's top athletes, musicians, and performers to be a part of the opening ceremony. None of them took us up on it. However, we do have one person, and I am getting word that he is carrying the torch. Ricky has been awake for 6 straight days. Hold on, wait a minute. I hear that he's now at Pizza Man. And Ricky, no, don't. Ricky, pick the torch back up. No, don't go in Pizza Man. Ricky. Well, we are going to try to reestablish a connection with Ricky. While we do, you may be asking yourself, just why does a Midwest-based automotive truck and Jeep accessory aftermarket store have an International Olympics? Well, keep asking. Hey, we got a hold of Ricky. He is entering the parking lot for Midwest Aftermarket right now. Let's go get him right now. Hey, Ricky! And Ricky has apparently ran out of steam here. Ricky, you're so close. Ricky, come on. For God's sake, Ricky, you're just a few feet away from me. Take the extra step. Just give me the torch, Ricky. Oh, screw it. All right, it's the Midwest Aftermarket Olympics. Ricky, what do you... Rick,